Hello, in this video we're going to have a look how we can integrate Vault with the Autodesk Construction Cloud. Inside the ACC we're going to create an approval workflow, just a simple one-step approval. We give this a name that somebody's going to understand. In this case, ACC to Vault. Although we've got some of these already set up, these are for the isometrics. We select an initiator and an approver. In this case, it's going to be both Chris. This is important. We need now to, when the document is approved, to copy this into a specific folder. Now all we need to do is enable the Cloud Sync inside Vault. So under Tools, Administrator and Vault Settings, we go to Collaborate and Configure. Select New and again give this a name. So again, ACC to Vault Isometrics. In this case we'll use Get Approved Isometrics. Next thing we need to do is select the Vault folder. And then we need to choose the Cloud Drive folder. Here we're using the desktop connector to allow us to find the right hub, project and then the folder. And the files are going to be inside Approved Isometrics. Here we decide on what we need to do for that sync. Choosing the folder, and we're downloading from Cloud Drive. And finally in here we determine a schedule that this is going to happen. So in this case, let's choose this as 1 PM. Simple as this, go OK. We've now created our sync. So here we need to create a review using that approval workflow we created earlier. Selecting numerous documents and submit for review. Choose the ACC to Vault isometric approval and we can give this a name. And in this case we'll give it a date as well. So once it's submitted, we can choose multiple people to notify. So these are set for review. So now if we run through the review in ACC, here we can choose the email that we may have received to let us know that this is going to be set for review. We start the review. And then once we've checked the files out, we then determine whether they're approved or not. In this case, we're going to approve 2 of these and reject the 3rd. Select Submit Review. And you'll see the action upon completion. 2 of these have been copied into the correct folder, the 3rd not. If in Docs now we check the folder, you'll find that under the Approved Isometrics folder, 2 of the files have actually been copied to that location. Now ordinarily we would expect the sync to run at a scheduled time. Here we're going to actually run this manually. We select the sync and we see the two files and download those. So these are downloading from the Autodesk Construction Cloud into our Vault folder. Here we can see the job queue that's pending. Here we see side by side the Vault client and the desktop connector showing the two files in the correct folders. So that was Vault and ACC.